You fucking up the rotation. Pump in. Pump in. Fucking up the rotation. You can get killed with somebody else.
This musical shit right here needs a down-ass bitch and a personal driver. Tool in my hand, case I gotta prove I'm the man. I get ignorant with the quickness if I feel you tripping. You don't speak the code I was taught. The OGs already said they don't trust you, so it's no question you a movie I'd rather not watch. Blockbuster, so keep your distance. Did I forget to mention Ty Gang is in the building? We tryna break through the ceiling. Pen and pencil and pimping, so fuck with the real ones. Choosing to go harder after hearing all this chewed up nonsense, but it's your decision, I let you pick. Just make sure you pick the team that's the realest. Just make sure you pick the team that's the realest.